Today we're testing out a portable spot cleaner. It has a brush attachment to help get stubborn stains up from the carpet, and different attachments that are great for steam cleaning. And it's really helped us clean those tough to clean spots, especially stains from pets. And so far, it's been so useful. So let's dive into it and check it out. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a spot cleaner, a bottle of cleaning solution, an attachment holder, a cleaning brush, some steam cleaning attachments, a spot to wrap your cable around, a self-cleaning tool, and an extra filter. That's everything. To get started, slide on the cable holder and lock that into place, as well as the attachment organizer. Now you can wrap it up, keep everything together, and it's nice and organized. To use this, push the release button on top, and then you can remove the tank. Pour in water to the fill line, and mix in your cleaning solution. Then put on the lids and slide the tank back into the carpet cleaner until it locks into place. Plug it in, then you can turn it on. Now you can single press the water button and it'll spray the solution out onto the carpet. Then you can run the brush across the carpet and it digs deep into the carpet, sucking out the stains. It has an 18 kPa powerful suction, and it really does work well. Just look at all that dirty water being sucked up. So that feature works really well and is quite helpful, especially when you have animals. But my favorite feature is the steam cleaning option. If you double press the steam button, the indicator light on top will change to red, and the tank will begin heating up. During this process, the nozzle might leak a little bit of water as it's warming up, so we let it heat up in the sink, and after it's going, the steam is nice and hot and helps dig through thick grime. We bought this oven used, and I've been having trouble getting off those stubborn grease stains. But after running this for less than 10 minutes, our oven looks brand new and better than we've ever had it. Honestly, I'm so impressed, and I'm going to be using this thing to clean up so many tough to clean spots. It's a really useful cleaning device. So if you're looking to do some deep cleaning, get rid of stains in your carpet, or steam clean your kitchen like me, this spot cleaner from uWANT might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go enjoy my clean house. See ya.